Like I'm gonna
I have
dodge the bullet.
exciting news to tell.
What did you say, Nordeeka?
I have exciting news to tell.
Oh, go ahead.
I
Is it
recorded my first song
uh-huh.
at my
Mm-hmm.
dream, one of my dream studios, and it's going to
What's your
be hosted on Saturday. So,
Yay! What's the title? What's the
hey,
name of the song?
Mrs. That no
Yeah,
love
what's the
song.
song?
No, what's the name of it?
Oh, I thought you said love song. I did 4 miss for some reason.
Mm-hmm.
I was supposed to do 2 miss, but you they love my voice. They say just go along and do 4, yeah. That's what they said. So I
So
did his
you
life
want to drop
from
a
mine.
few lines for us? You want to drop a few lines of it for us?
Miss.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Drop a few like.
All right, let me count you down. Let me count you down after 3. Okay? Yes or no? Tell me if you're
Okay, miss.
all right. So after 3, 1, 2, 3, go.
Friend, hold on, 'cause you're about to climb higher heights await you beyond what you have dreamed, and they're yours for the taking if you dare to believe. So leave your doubts behind and let God make you brave. 'Cause He has gone before you and He's already made the way. Take a step of faith. It's time to move. Lay aside your fears and what your God can do. There's victory ahead. That mountain's not too high. Friend, hold on, 'cause you're about to climb.
Yeah, girl. Come on, give
Guess
Nordeeka a round of applause, everybody. Clap, clap, clap. Come. Well done, Nordeeka. Thank you
Please,
for
this have been my dream to sing at Central Jamaica conference that's been aired all over the place. So,
mhm.
Miss, this is might be one of my opportunities to go to America
But of
and
course,
sing.
the
And I might live there.
universe is the limit, Nordica. The universe is the limit, not just the sky, the entire universe. So continue to soar. You're very, very talented,
Thank you, Miss.
very talented, very gifted, and I'm pleased that you're not just sitting on your gift like some people tend to do. You're not sitting on it. You're diving into it and exploring and sharing it. And that is so
Miss,
beautiful.
you know how I got to CJC, Miss?
How?
Because my elder at my church,
Mm-hmm.
he loved me, so he just gave me an audition. Yeah, an audition.
Okay. That's that's awesome, Nordica.
And I'm going back there April.
So you did the recording, so how soon before we hear it?
Miss, next week, Miss. No,
Okay.
no, not next week. This week. This week, Saturday, Miss.
Mm-hmm. All right, girl. I want my copy, you know.
Miss, next thing you know, you're going to hear that I have a show hosting next.
Of course.
That I'm on tour.
No limit, Nordica. No limit.
Miss, I don't have
So
no limit for now.
no limit ever.
No limit.
All right. So congratulations again.
Thank
And
you.
thank you for blessing our session with your beautiful voice.
You're welcome.
All right. So thank you, two scholars, for joining me and, as usual, keeping me company as we work through the questions. So we're going to be shifting our focus from the ability test to the performance task. So next live session, which is on Friday, 7 p.m., we're going to be doing performance task. So I'll see you then. Take care.
Bye, niece.
Bye.